Today we have the 2023 Ford Ranger. This vehicle has done just over 23,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we approach the back of the vehicle, you can see that this is a crew cab. It has 5 seats in total, all of which are black leather. On the steering wheel we have features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have a keyless ignition. On our touchscreen we can access ambient lighting, sync support and valet mode, full pass connect, Apple CarPlay, emergency assistance, navigation, mobile apps and Bluetooth. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. The Ranger also comes with lane assist, hill descent control, and 3 different driving modes to choose from.